boat we're going to take a video tour of today is a 2017 35-foot Scout. This boat has always been trailer stored indoors when it's not in the water being used. No bottom paint. You can see we do have the optional bow thruster. This boat I consider to be in outstanding condition. You can see the reflection from many coats of wax on the gel coat. She's powered by triple 300 horse Yamahas. You can see they're the optional white engines, stainless steel props. This boat's in Wilmington, North Carolina. We're on the Intercoastal Waterway. There's some shallow sandy areas, so you can see a little bit of paint. It's worn off the bottoms of the skegs. That's just about the extent of the work this boat needs that I can see. Trim tabs, of course. Got the faux teak on the swim platform. There's a dive door with steps. And no nicks, mars. It's obvious that whoever runs this boat is an experienced boater. You can see she sits on a triple axle Magic tilt trailer. The trailer is available for purchase with the boat, but it's not included in the pricing. You can see outriggers. Next we'll take a step up in the boat. Okay, so I've stepped up in the boat. See the port side dive door. Combing pads and all the vinyls are in excellent condition, as you'd anticipate from a boat that's been stored indoors. So we've got a transom door here. This is a flip-flops only, shoes off boat. There's the connection for our 30 amp shore power. Again, panning around just to try to show you the excellent condition of all the vinyls. My name is Mike. If you have any questions, I would love to help you. Please give me a call. A couple of tackle drawers here. Large fish box on each side. And I forgot to mention the live well is under that hatch right there. It's a nice deep boat, easy to maneuver around. Just give you a quick overview of the helm and then a little better shot of it. We've got the two individual captain seats with flip-up thigh rises. There's a soft padded material for the feet, which feels great. We have twin Garmin XSV units. So again, chart plotter, radar, depth, can control your engine functions. Here we've got a remote control for our spotlight, control for the trim tabs, engine starts, and of course bow thruster control. And up top here we have the Garmin Autopilot and your 12-volt controls and a Garmin 200 VHF radio. Got a little bit of storage behind this door right here on the starboard side of the helm console. Got a nice sunbed seat here with the backrest. There is a lot of storage underneath this sunbed. If you look on the website, you can see that the current owner stores all their lines and fenders under there. Of course, we've got full bow seating with the table. The table does drop down, and you'll see the sun pad cushions are stored down in the cabin area. There's a windlass under that forward hatch. Lots of flush mount rod holders and rocket launchers. Of course, walking now down the port side, and And here's our entrance to the cabin area under the Helm console, which has over 6 feet of headroom. You can see here we've got an electric flush head. It's a little storage off on the starboard side. Microwave up here. We've got 12-volt air conditioning. It's an air-only system. Got the deluxe Fusion marine stereo. Of course, the sink just down below that. Really nice teak and holly flooring. So again, we've got some extra life jackets, throwable cushion stowed down here. Sorry you can't get a true idea of how large this and how long this bed is. It's definitely ample for 2 adults to sleep.